Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about Indian society react to censorship by the Central Board of Film Certification. This is our today's topic or question. How should the Indian society react to censorship by the Central Board of Film Certification? We have to critically examine. We have to critically comment on it. It means we need to provide details about the CBFC, Central Board of Film Certification, about the certificates in four categories. Then critically comment on it. Let's begin. We also discuss about the pros and cons about it. Significance of this question is that can be asked in GS paper 1 under the heading of society. Then it can be asked in GS paper 2 under the headings of government policies and interventions. Then issues arising out, design and implementation of policies. Our introduction would be movies, not only source of entertainment but considered as a mirror of society. It shows reflection. Movies always grabbed the attentions of millions of masses and influenced them across the globe. We can also see ground reality, key issues, and spread awareness through movies like Udta Punjab, Article 15, Thappad, Padman, Submangal Savdhan. These are examples of these kind of movies which provide us so many details. The Central Board of Film Certification (CBFC) is a legal censorship and categorization body which established under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Four types of censorship of movies. First is A. It means it was restricted for the adults. Then U. Unrestricted public exhibition. Then next one is U by A. It was unrestricted public exhibition but with the word of caution. Then S is it is restricted for the special class or person. Censorship is our country shows diversity in unity. It may occur conflict on the basis of caste, religion, color, ethnicity, but the censorship may help us to reduce them. These activities. Then subdivision of existing UA category related to the film certification, that UA, then UA plus 7, UA plus 13, UA plus 17. These are also advantages of it. Then section 5.B1 derived from the article 19(2) of the constitution. It is negotiable reasonable restrictions. Then some actors performing life endangered or threatening stunts, their stunt may influence them, students, children, youth, and they can try it, copy it. So censorship board will cut, remove or reduce the severity of these stunts. Then disadvantages or impact on the society of censorship. It may violate Article 19, which is our fundamental right. Then increase dominance of government over the movies and increase corruption also for clearance of movies. Then some critics believe that they should be allowed to watch and read whatever they want. So many content related to sex, menstruation and other key issues in the society used in films to educate and show ground reality may restrict. Then another issues, recently government abolished film certification appellate tribunal. Now there is only resort available for the filmmakers is High Court, which is costly and time consuming too, and it may also hamper the cost of profit of their movies. Then what are the measures we need to take in, or societal impact, societal reaction? Then government should remove the revisionary problem. Then restore film certification appellate tribunal for the faster disposal of issues. Then need to uphold the fundamental rights. Then transparency should be in the functioning of the CBFC. Movies are one of the best way to spread awareness of the present challenges faced by the society. Need to support them rather than increase censorship on them. Then our conclusion would be, although it is necessary to restrict the bad content, which is abusive language, pornographic content, so much nudity and violence in films or OTT over the top platforms, but government need to establish independent body rather than increase censorship. It will help us to uphold the fundamental rights, spread awareness and build trust, then show reality and educate people and reduce the stigmas in the society. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also provide suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.